Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Welcome all of you in our today's revision lesson. Children, we have already discussed all the new words from the lesson, and I hope everybody has understood all the new words. Fine. So, now today we are going to revise lesson number 20. We will begin with fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the brackets. Everyone knows the paper pattern, okay? So you have to choose the correct option from the given options. Fine? So we will begin with fill in the blanks by choosing the correct words from the bracket. That means options will be given and you are supposed to choose the correct option. So now the first question is, in a community we get, yes, what do we get in a community? Companions or relatives or friends? Yes, companions. Very good. Correct answer. Okay. In a community, we get companions. Correct. Now just repeat after me. In a community, we get companions. In a community, we get companions. In a community, we get companions. Very good. Community life is it interdependent or independent or self-sufficient? Community life is interdependent. Yes, very good. Everyone knows our community life is interdependent. That means dependent on each other. Okay? Yes. So now repeat after me. Community life is interdependent. Community life is interdependent. Community life is interdependent. Good. Dash are needed to build cooperation. Rules, leaders or followers. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Very good. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Now repeat after me. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Rules are needed to build cooperation. Next one, children. Education and dash facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Can you tell me, children? Education and which facilities for everyone can be developed in a community? Entertainment, communication or health? Yes, health is the correct answer. Very good. Okay. So education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. That means everyone has a right to get education and health facilities in a community. Okay. So now repeat after me. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Good. Production and dash are necessary to satisfy needs. Cooking or services or help for others. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Okay? Yes. So now repeat after me. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Production and services are necessary to satisfy needs. Very good. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a village or community or group. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Very good answer. Yes, correct. Now repeat after me. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Our daily needs are fulfilled in a community. Good. Now state whether the following statements are true or false. You are supposed to choose the correct option whether the given statement is true or false. Fine. Just see, helping each other is called production. Is it true or false? Helping each other is called production. Yes, this is the wrong. That means false statement. No? Yeah, this statement is false. So, helping each other is called production is the false statement. So, just can you tell me helping each other is called? Yes. What do we call? Helping each other is called cooperation. Very good. Okay. Fine. Now just tell me the rules of the game are same for everybody. Is it true or false? The rules of the game are same for everybody. Very good. This is the correct statement. That means true. Okay. This statement is true. Now repeat after me. The rules of the game are same for everybody. The rules of the game are same for everybody. The rules of the game are same for everybody. Very good. Now just tell me, rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Is it true or false? Yes, this statement is also a true statement. Yes, this is also true. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. This statement is true. Now repeat after me. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Very good, children. Now we are going to revise important points from the lesson. Now what do we mean by living in a community? Yes, living in a community, that means living with our family members, neighbors and other people. No, that is nothing but living in a community, right? Yes, we like to live in the company of others. Everybody likes to live in the company of others. Living in the company of our family members, neighbors and other people means living in a community. Community life is interdependent. Children, can you tell me why do we say that our community life is interdependent? Yes, because one person cannot produce everything, neither he can give all services by himself. That is why we say our community life is interdependent. That means for production of goods and for services of goods, we require many people to do different kind of jobs, right? That is why we say our community life is interdependent. Is that clear? Yes. See, we feel secure in the company of our companions. Mutual cooperation is the greatest benefit of community life, and our daily needs are fulfilled in the community. Production of goods and services. Education and health facilities for everyone can be developed in a community. Everybody has a right to get education and health facilities in our community. Production of goods and services are necessary to satisfy our needs. Rules for living in community and importance of games. Rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Everybody knows that rules are same for everybody. Yes, and rules are necessary for smooth running of community life. Everybody has to follow certain restrictions, certain rules for smooth running of our community life. The rules bring discipline in a community life. Fine. Rules bring discipline in the community life. The rules of the games are same for everybody. Games imbibe the qualities of cooperation and unity. Through games, we can imbibe the qualities like cooperation and unity. Participation, determination and passion are more important in games than winning or losing. Sports help us to stay healthy. That means when we play outdoor games, our body gets good exercise. Okay, that keeps our body healthy. So that is why we say sports help us to stay healthy. Is that clear, children? I hope everybody is clear with all the fill in the blanks, true or false, and important points from the lesson. Okay, here our first part of revision lesson gets over. Okay, now keep revising and be prepared for unit test. See you in the next class. Till then, bye.